Good morning, children. How are you all? Enjoyed your festival, Dashera? Now, coming back to our lesson. Today, we will be doing question number 26 of your accounts. So, hope you all are ready for your lessons. So, let's begin. Today, I will be doing question number 26. Revaluation account was already been done. We have completed many of the revaluation questions. Now we are coming to the a bit different questions which are all based on journal entries. So here I am reading the question, that is number 26 of your accounts book, page number 192. A and B are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 7:5. They agreed to admit C, their manager. If he is a manager or a C, whoever it may be, he is considered to be a new partner. So they admitted a C as a new partner in the partnership, who is to get 1/6 share in the business. To get 1/6 share in the business, how much capital he will bring? He bring 10,000 for capital and rupees 4800 for 1/6 share of goodwill, which he acquires. Acquires means he will get. Acquire means to get. He get his share, his sacrificing shares which he is getting from A and B is A. From A he is getting 1/24th share and from B he is getting 1/8 share. Now in my previous lesson many times I had told you and I have explained you children that whenever a sacrificing ratio is given in the question, definitely excuse me, the distribution of goodwill is done on the basis of sacrificing ratio only. And the second thing is this, the sacrificing ratio are uncommon, 1/24 and 1/8. So what should you do is both the denominator should come same, and when you get sacrificing ratio you have to find out new ratio and you have to distribute goodwill to the partner in their sacrificing ratio. Now what is new in this lesson, what is new in this question is something different, that they have given you the old ratio, they have given you sacrificing ratio and the profit for the first year of the new partnership. After the partnership, new partnership had been formed, that means when the new partner got entry, after that after the admission of the new partner, the first year of partnership, when a new partner was also there, they earned a profit of ₹24,000. नए पार्टनर के आने के बाद पहले साल उनका प्रॉफिट कितना था? 24,000. तो डेफिनेटली आपके पास ओल्ड रेशियो है, आपके पास सेक्रीफाइसिंग रेशियो. तो ओल्ड और सेक्रीफाइसिंग रेशियो के बेसिस पर आप क्या फाइंड करेंगे? न्यू रेशियो. यहाँ उन्होंने लिखा नहीं है, लेकिन जब नया प्रॉफिट बांटोगे तो नए पार्टनर्स को नया प्रॉफिट नए रेशियो में ही बांटा जाएगा. तो हमारे पास नया रेशियो होना ज़रूरी है, और भले वो लिखे ना लिखे पर आपको तो नया रेशियो फाइंड करना ही पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ओल्ड रेशियो में आप बांट नहीं सकते हो, सेक्रीफाइसिंग रेशियो में आप बांट नहीं सकते हो, क्योंकि गुडविल जो होती है वो सेक्रीफाइसिंग रेशियो में बढ़ती है. लेकिन जब नया पार्टनर आ गया, उसको पार्टनरशिप में एडमिशन मिल गया, तो इसके बाद अब तो वो भी पार्टनरशिप के अंदर प्रॉफिट का शेयर लेगा ना, तो इसलिए उसको प्रॉफिट का शेयर देने के लिए ज़रूरी है कि आपके पास न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो भी होना चाहिए. मेक नेसेसरी जर्नल एंट्रीज इन कनेक्शन विथ सीज एडमिशन एंड, अब पोर्शन के नीचे मैंने अंडरलाइन किया है, द प्रॉफिट बिटवीन दी पार्टनर्स. आप जर्नल एंट्रीज बनाओ और ये बताओ कि अब नई पार्टनरशिप में प्रॉफिट कैसे बटेगा. इज़ इट क्लियर? तो अब मैं आपको इसका सल्यूशन बता रही हूँ. गेट रेडी.